Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Lamborghini Urus into neutral. It's a straightforward process once you know the specific steps. First, make sure your vehicle is running and your foot is firmly on the brake. Then, you'll use the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. This method is unique to many high-performance vehicles, ensuring precise control over your gear selection. Let's get started with the exact procedure. Engaging neutral safely is crucial for both your vehicle's longevity and your personal safety. It is always recommended to perform this action only when the Urus is at a complete stop. Once neutral is engaged, remember to activate the electronic parking brake. This prevents any unintended movement. Never attempt to shift into neutral while driving, as this can reduce your control over the vehicle and potentially cause damage. Sometimes, you might encounter a situation where neutral doesn't engage immediately. If this happens, first verify that your foot is pressing the brake pedal down completely. The engine must also be running for the transmission to respond to gear changes. If you continue to experience difficulty or see any warning lights, it is best to refer to your Lamborghini Urus owner's manual for detailed troubleshooting steps and specific error code explanations. Knowing when to use neutral can be beneficial. It's ideal for brief stops, helping to minimize wear on the clutch components. Additionally, neutral is essential for certain scenarios, such as when going through an automated car wash or if the vehicle needs to be towed. However, it is important to avoid extended periods of coasting in neutral, as this can impact your ability to steer and brake effectively, compromising overall vehicle control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.